My name is Ilpi Amaraz. I'm the CEO of Allied Restoration, and our tagline is many strengths, one purpose, to serve. Since COVID-19, we've had to really pivot. We were able to devise a plan to say, we see the need, we're going to do COVID disinfection, we're going to do indoor air quality cleaning. The Super Bowl, I think, is going to be the first major event post-COVID, post-vaccine, right? We're excited to serve in such a way where we can make this space safe for people. I really do believe that this is a time for people to begin to connect and feel comfortable. This is going to be a time where it's the first time we can all gather together, and it's going to be super exciting. The Super Bowl is going to make such a huge impact in our company, and I know other surrounding communities. And here's what I tell my clients. There is no one on the planet that will do a better job than me. I will not sleep to make sure that we deliver the goods and being able to provide a safe environment for all of the fans, all of the people that are involved, and really make it a place that we can all come back and celebrate.